Dude. Don't buy these. They suck.
Look. It's a window. It's a window. And there's gonna be windows over there, windows under. It's happening. Who's excited? Me.
Twice.
Just add 5 feet.
Do the same thing.
Man, I swear it's hot as hell in there. Oh, hey, the bunny. Hey, bunny. How you doing? Okay, we got a few different things going on here now. We got the plastic over the roof, so the roof has now not stopped leaking yet still. But it's only on spots where we have designated holes for pipes to go through the roof, which is a different setup to fix than where I'm at the moment. So I need another layer before I get to dealing with that problem. What I'm gonna kind of show here is that we're gonna, whoa, look how eyebally that is. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna get in this last window here, and that will have all of our windows in but one window right there. So I will finish that window one day next week and we'll deal with that then. But for now, I'm gonna put in that one window. I need to get that all cleaned up under there. Okay, there's a little piece there, so I just need to insert a little piece, probably tape it in just cuz. But yeah, so then there's that, and then I'll grab this ladder over here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, so the first thing I gotta go do is go get gloves. Hold on.
There's a lot of places you can put a pull-up bar, boy.
Yeah, there's a lot of places he could put a pull-up bar.
I mean, look at that strength.
The electrician was asking if that they were shack because the ceiling heights are so high.
If they were shack, oh, the
and
guy.
everything is so much. Everything's just like a tall person height instead of average people height.
Yeah.
And so there's like, these people got to be shaft. Why is everything so tall? Because like the counters are 3 or 4 inches taller. The sinks are 3 or 4 inches taller. The ceilings are 2.5 feet taller than average houses.
Mom doesn't want to bend over or live the short people world anymore. Or the average.
No more average life. No more.
Okay, this is your office.
That's for the electrical panel.
Oh, is that it?
There has to be a 3 or 1.5 foot radius around it. Yeah. I thought it could go more in the corner, but it was like 1.5 feet off the wall.
And don't have like a door that closes.
No. Oh, well, a door that closes and hide it, yeah. But we can't put an actual door or anything in front of it, yeah.
Yeah, but real shoes, boy, that's not part of a onesie or anything like that. So, mommy, you have to place the plants there.
Watch.
So, mommy, what you doing with this piece?
Just sit back and watch.
Man, you open this up, let some air in.
Yeah.
And so you can like leave this open. So you make it.
Yeah.
I have to put some.
That's what I said.